Hi guys, so this is my one item speech, and this is what I'm gonna do. My son made these hands for me, and he gave it to me on last year for Mother's Day, and it was really nice. It was something beautiful to remind me when he was little, and have his hand for my whole life. It's gonna mean a lot to me. So this is the one that he made. How you guys can see it. So it's really small, and they put things right here. I really like it. And when he comes to me and he gave it to me, he was so excited. And just imagine that you're gonna have this for your whole life, and just remember, even he grew up, I'm gonna keep this one as a reminder how small he was. And I really enjoy it. I like it, and he was so excited to give it to me. And it means a lot for mothers, to have something when their child made it with love, and want us to remember how they are and how they love us when they're little, because when they grow up they forget a lot about us. But yeah, so this is the one item that I like to share because it's really important to me. And just keep in mind that we can have our kids in life, and a lot of people I know that they like to have these type of things with their kids, and it's important, and it's cute, and it's just a really nice thing that we can have for the whole life. And thank you very much for hearing it.